All right, guys, this is phone wealth class. Phone wealth class. I told some of us that I'm going to be giving you a life-changing strategy. Life-changing strategy. It will change your destiny. What I'm going to give to you is going to change you, taking you from zero level to a millionaire level. Only if you can be serious to obey. Most of us have different phones, and you don't even know what you're going to use that phone for. Use your phone just to play games and just to do other things, to chat, not knowing that that same phone can benefit you. That same phone can make you millions of naira and give you freedom to make cash from your house. You don't need to have a boss. You just be a boss for yourself. And this strategy I'm going to give you free, just free. You don't need to pay anything. This is what banks, universities, schools refuse to tell you. They refuse to tell you because if they tell you, you will no longer attend school again. So that is why I'm going to give you this free strategy. It's going to help you. It's going to assist you. It's going to, push you forward to your next level. To your next level. I mean it. To your next level. So just say bye bye to poverty, bye bye to failure. This strategy will change your family situation. You're just going to fat. Those who are looking for money to to do other things, you're having dreams and visions to become great in life, to to build houses, to buy cars. The opportunity is here. Seriously, the opportunity is here. It's reality. What you see a lot of people, having those wealth. Okay, they refuse to tell you. I'm going to tell you how they do it. I'm going to tell you how they started. I'm going to show you the process, the life process, how they did it in online business. Serious, very serious. I'm going to show you the shortcuts, real life. You don't need to pay anything. I'm going to show you. But you see, these few days, if after I tell you and your life does not change, there's something's wrong with you. You take it serious, very serious, very serious. All right, very serious. Be ready. Be ready. I don't know whether you're ready. If you're ready, start commenting. Start DM me right now. I'm waiting for you. Be ready. Phone wealth class. This is very serious. As many who has been taught to millionaires, you can also change your parents' life. Remove the tears from the eyes. Use this aspect to pay your school fees, to pay your bills, to even start life. Yes, start life. Who told you that as a lady you cannot also make it? Who told you as a lady you need a guy before you can become a millionaire? Or you need a guy before you can change your family situation? It's a lie. It's a lie. Very big lie. Very big lie. Quote me anywhere. I said so. The time is here now. The time is here. If you do not use your sense and take this information, what you don't know is bigger than you. Don't be ignorant on the information I'm going to give to you. It's going to change your life. It's going to change your destiny. Get ready. If you're a young girl, if you're a young boy, if you're an adult, if you're an elderly person, get ready now. What I'm going to tell you, what I'm going to show you will change your destiny. Now, if you listen to me, you need to bring your mind towards what I want to tell you. There are some keys I'm going to give to you before we go into any practical. Number one, if you want your life to change for good, if you want your situation to change for good, number one key to change from poverty to wealth is having a positive heart, the positive mindset. Your heart needs to be changed before your level will change. If you remain in that same level with that same heart, that everybody that makes it or everybody that drives a car, that means the person did a ritual, or the person stole, or is a criminal, you are a liar. That is how a poor man think. It is high time right now that you change your mindset and put yourself into the trendy market, into what is reigning at this moment. Some of you are just, you're focused on only the fashion designing and and you're not even taking that fashion design to put it in place to add to your skill. Rather, you just try to put on somebody who sold a dress for you. You're not even taking life serious. You paid the person sold that dress for you, and you just try to emulate other people without knowing that it is somebody's words, somebody's skill that you are putting on, and the person made money from you. You paid the person. This is time now. You don't. I want you to be like an entrepreneur. Think like the wealthy person. Think like a wealthy person. They are always thinking. The wealthy people are always thinking 24 hours. They calculate. Sometimes they don't even know whether they've eaten their breakfast, their lunch, or their dinner. The next day they'll be like, I've not even eaten. Can you imagine? Because why? Because why? Their mind is on the vision. Don't say that I came from a poor man, a poor family, or my parents, I'm not born on a silver spoon. That's an excuse. You don't need to be, to be a great person before you get to the level that you are supposed to, that's going to change your destiny. Very, very serious. Very, very serious. A positive mindset. Have that mind. I cannot be poor. If Dangote can make it, if Otetola Nigerians, who we are, can make it, if Bill Gates, as many of them, many names, big names all around, can make it, you can do it. If you read through most of the history of them, most of them came out from places, people, societies where people never believed they're going to have a future. Tell yourself, I have a future. Tell yourself, I have a future. If I give you this strategy, I give you this key, and you refuse to change, then something's wrong with you. You're going to remain poor. The moment your eye is going to clear, that time is too late. You are old already. Maybe a new trend would have come up. And while we were enjoying, we have already put our own resources, we have bought the lands, we have bought the cars, and we have put everything in place while you are still remaining poor. We are not trying to enjoy what we have worked for. Be serious.